Hey guys, PMHK here. Obviously, now if you're new to the channel, welcome, and to my OGs, welcome back. Now I make tech videos almost every week, so make sure you hit that subscription button and make sure you also have your post notifications on so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. So on this video, we're going to be looking at two items that have nothing to do with each other that I actually use a lot, and I really think you guys must actually go and get it for yourself. We're gonna start, let me put that thing away. We're gonna start with this tripod here. Now this is a Manfrotto Tripod that I use basically for everything, to mounting my camera, mounting the selfie stick, which I actually sometimes use as a tripod. You can also use it to mount your phone if you shoot using your phone. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do with this, guys. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of the things you can actually use it for. Now, this tripod, as we speak, is on sale, so it would actually be a great idea for you guys to go maybe pick one up for yourself. Now, I'll be doing a giveaway at the end of this video, which I'm going to explain at the end of the video how it's going to happen. But for now, let's look at this guy here. Now, this guy here has a 1/4 inch thread here where you can actually mount stuff. Now, you can mount from a phone, as I mentioned. You can use this little adapter here. Now, there used to be a bundle sold at the iStore, which comes both together, but I actually haven't seen that bundle in a while. But you can actually get also these any store that sell camera equipment as well as online. So for you to mount your phones, you have to actually just screw it in, and then you can actually easily mount your phone, and you can use this to actually record, and you can use to even when you're doing your vlogs, if you're somebody that actually records video or posts video on YouTube, or even if not, I mean, you can actually use this like this, which actually could come in handy for most of you guys. The other application of this guy that I actually use the most is as my tripod, as a tripod stand, which actually sometimes I use it when I'm going live on Instagram or even live on YouTube, which I actually haven't done in a long time. Let me know below the like button if you guys actually want me to go live and just chat a little bit with you guys. So this is the other contraption that I actually use this thing for. Then again, you guys saw that I actually unboxed this one. This is a new one. I used to have one, which I actually gave it to my little sister, since she's also a YouTuber and she uses that the most. I decided to give her that one and buy a new one. Now this is actually what I use. As you guys can see, there's also a little phone holder here on top that I actually sometimes use to hold the phone, especially when it comes to going maybe live on Instagram. You can easily mount this guy up and just, that's upside down. Okay, this side here, and easily go live without you having to hold the phone. And since this is a, just tighten this thing up here. And since this is a selfie stick, you can actually adjust it as high as you can. So let me just put it down here for you guys to see. It's actually now on the floor, and I've actually shown you guys this thing in a couple of other videos that I've actually made. Let me know if you guys actually have seen this selfie stick before, or this full contraption here down in the comments. Now this is one of the other applications. The last application that I can actually use this for is when vlogging with a proper camera and not your phone, because even cameras also come with a little thread down there where this guy can actually go in. So you just grab this one and actually screw it in. As you can see, my camera is actually now a bit scratched because of these guys. So you just screw it in and you have a vlogging rig. Obviously you can actually add microphone on top, you can add light on top, and since this is the A6400, which comes with a flip screen, you can actually see yourself while you vlog, and you have a vlogging contraption done. Yeah, this guy comes in handy in many occasions, but these are the three main ways I actually use this Manfrotto tripod. Now this is all that comes in the box. You actually have designs here on how you can actually use it, and you can actually press this guy here. When you press this guy here, it actually allows you to just play with it and position in a way that you actually want it to be positioned, and that's basically what this tripod does. Now moving to our next item, the last item obviously, let me just put these guys here on the side. So the next item is going to be a power brick. Now this power brick is capable of charging 2 devices at once. You have the 36 watt. This is a 36 watts power brick. The brand is Tiger Charger, power delivery wall charger. So you're gonna get USB 3.0 charging capability, as well as power delivery, which is what Apple uses to fast charge its device. Now this iPhone here, this is the iPhone 8 Plus, which I made a video. Let me know if you've watched the video, and if you haven't watched that video, go watch it now. Actually, after you watch this one, you can go watch that video. So this iPhone here, which is the iPhone 8 Plus, it actually supports power delivery, which is a similar technology as quick charge, which is owned by Qualcomm. So this guy supports quick charge 3.0 as well as power delivery. Now let me open and show you guys actually how this guy comes inside. Now I'm looking for my knife. Where's my knife? All right, found my knife. Now this guy will help you charge your phone fast. Now the only iPhone that actually comes with a 18 watts power brick inside is the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. The iPhone 11 doesn't come, it comes with that 5 watts little brick thing that actually takes a while to charge your phone. Hence, I got this one as an extra one. So in the box, you're just going to get the power brick. It's a little bit on the thick side. It's pretty light. I was actually expecting it to be heavier than this. It's pretty light. And as I mentioned on the box, this is a Tiger Charger brand. At the back, you have product specification. You have one Type-C and one USB, LED charge indicator, adaptive fast charging technology, smart chip technology, universal for all USB devices, protection short circuit, and blah, 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 blah. Now this thing here is imported from a company in Midrand, and the website is qdcellular.co.za. That's about it. And this is a 36 watts charger. Now, I also have the original iPhone fast charging brick here with me, just for size comparison's sake. There we go. Now, this guy here is going to be much bigger than the original iPhone charging, but remember that the original iPhone charging brick only supports 18 watts, and this thing supports almost twice the amount of watts that this guy supports. So it has a USB port here, as well the USB 3.0 quick charge capable. Now I don't have the USB 3.0 quick charge capable. I'm gonna have to actually go and still buy the USB quick charge, but I have the USB-C, which I can use to charge my iPhone 8 Plus, because that's the only device that I actually have that supports fast charge. Now the reason I also bought this thing is because, as you guys can see, this little guy here that plugs on the wall can actually fold down, which is actually comes in handy when you're traveling. You don't have things sticking out on your bag like this, which can actually easily break. Now this guy right now is on sale on Take a Lot. The original price is 400 Rand, it's going for 200 Rand. I'm gonna try it out as usual. I'm gonna actually post updates, especially if there is something wrong with this device. I'm gonna post updates on Instagram. You can actually go follow me, dates PMHK_ZDay on Instagram. But if everything goes well, you're probably not going to see it, which means the device is actually working properly. One downside of this device obviously is the size of it. It's a little bit thick, as I mentioned, compared to my original Apple USB-C fast charging 18 watts. As you guys can see, it actually swallows it a little bit, but apart from that, I think it's going to really be functional for where I want to use it, and where I want to use it, there's actually a lot of space, so it's not going to be a hassle. Now this guy also will probably charge your MacBook 13-inch, the USB-C ones. Those are the new ones from 2016 up. And yeah, now for the giveaway, I'm going to be giving away a Manfrotto tripod, which is the little tripod that we actually unboxed. This is actually a sealed one, as you guys can see. I'm gonna be giving you guys one up for grab. Now, the way this is gonna work is that when this video hits 100 likes, the giveaway is gonna be on. What you need to do is be subscribed to the channel. You have to be following me on Instagram, as well as give this video a like, obviously. And when this video reaches 100 likes, I'm going to pick one of you guys from the comments. So make sure you also leave a comment on this video so it can make it easy for you to win or not. So quick recap, when this video reaches 100 likes, I'm gonna be giving this away, and all you have to do to enter is obviously like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you also have your post notifications on. Leave a comment in this video and go follow me on Instagram. This will be it for this video. Make sure you like this video and also make sure you are subscribed to the channel and your post notifications are on. That's the bell button next to the subscribe button, so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. Otherwise, I'm going to catch you guys on my next video. Peace.